I hope you are thorough with numbers from 0 to 20. If you are not thorough, don't worry, keep practicing. Now, let us learn les articles, which is the articles. The articles may be of two types. L'article défini or the definite article. In English, the definite article is the or l'article indéfini, which is the indefinite article. A or an. Now, let us see the definite article. In French, the definite article is either le, la, l apostrophe or les. So let us see the rules for placing these articles. These articles are placed before a noun. So the article le is placed before a noun which is masculine singular. Let us take the example of the boy. Garçon. Garçon means boy. Now, before the noun garçon, we place the word le because garçon is masculine singular. I hope you understood that. Similarly, the word la, the article la, is placed before a noun that is feminine singular. For example, the girl. Fille. Before fille, you place the word la because fille is feminine singular. Did you understand that? I'll repeat it once again. The article le is placed before a noun which is masculine singular. The article la is placed before the noun which is feminine singular. Let us move on to the next one. Which is L apostrophe. Now, in French, we have what is called a vowel clash. When two vowels come following each other, we replace one with an apostrophe. This is called an apostrophe. For example, let us take the word école. École means school. Now, since this is feminine singular, we would have to place la. However, here we have two vowels following each other. This is called a vowel clash. When we have two vowels together, we replace the first one by an apostrophe. This symbol here is called an apostrophe. So, before école, we have to place L apostrophe. Similarly, for words where there is a H mute, for example, the word begins with a H mute. Here, the word begins with H, which is not a vowel. However, it is pronounced hotel. The H here is silent. This is called a H mute. For words that begin with a H mute, we place L apostrophe. It is called l'hôtel. Hotel is the word for hotel. So, l'hôtel. Now, let us move on to the next article, which is les. Les. The article les is placed before a noun which is either masculine or feminine plural. So any noun that is in plural will be preceded by les. For example, we saw the word garçon for the article le. We say le garçon. However, if it is in the plural form, say garçons, then instead of le, we will place les. Similarly, for the word fille, when it is singular, you will say la fille. However, in the plural form, it becomes les filles. L'hôtel. Even the words which need L apostrophe to be placed, if it is in the plural form, we would write les, les hôtels. So have you understood the definite article? I'll go over it once again. You just need to learn the rules and follow them. So in the definite article we have 4: le, la, L apostrophe and les. Le comes before any noun that is masculine singular. Masculine singular. The word la comes before any noun that is feminine singular. L apostrophe comes between masculine or feminine and begins with a vowel. Vowel or H mute. And les can be used for masculine or feminine, which is in the plural form. So I hope you have understood the definite article.